Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review video on the GhostBed sheets, and can we just talk about how adult that sounds, because I finally graduated to better sheets because I am guilty of still buying the, college student sheets that they had during back to school. And trust me guys, they are not as good as these sheets. You can definitely tell the difference, and I'm never going back to those sheets because they are not good. No bueno. So I'm going to be sharing my review on the GhostBed sheets, and you can probably tell that it's going to be a good one because of this intro. But if you want to hear more of why I like their sheets, then go ahead and keep on watching. When GhostBed sheets reached out, I was so pumped because, as you guys know, I just got married, so some rooms in my house I'm still redoing, decorating everything, and one room that I definitely haven't really paid attention to is my bedroom, because honestly we just go in there to sleep because I spent all my time down here or like working, and I really was looking for good sheets because I was at that point where I was pulling my hair out because I did not like my sheets. My sheets, like I said, were like from Target, the Room Essentials brand, the ones that every college student gets. They're just not cutting it. They were just not comfy. Every time I washed them, they would just start to tear apart and I would have to buy a new one every single time. So when they reached out, I was like, perfect, I need new sheets. And I of course got the white one because I love white. My whole room is white, like my bedding. They also have a pretty gray color, which I also was eyeing because I also wanted to do like a little winter wonderland theme and mix in more gray, but I was like, you know what? Let's just go with the white ones. White ones are always classic and they just go with everything. So I went ahead and got the white ones. The whole process of picking out your sheets is super easy. You just go to their website and you pick either the white color or the gray color, and then you go ahead and put in your shipping. It is free shipping, which is always a huge plus. And when I opened them, I was so excited because they are so crisp white. So once you get your sheets, each GhostBed luxury sheet set includes a unique and luxurious blend of Supima cotton and Tencel fibers. And guys, let me tell you, definitely feel the quality of the sheets the instant you lay on them. They just feel so silky and soft, and I am not kidding you guys. After I slept on those sheets for the first night, that was like the best night's sleep that I've gotten in so long. It feels like when you go to a hotel and you can just feel that they have nice sheets, you just sleep so much better. That's what I have now in my own home, which is just amazing, and my husband felt it too. It's just so soft, and I guess, like the name says, luxury sheets. You definitely feel super luxurious. It's just crazy insane, the quality. Like, what have I been doing with my life? My favorite part of the sheets is that they have this really thick band, which they call the Ghost Grip band. And you guys, if you guys are like me, I hate when you wash your sheets or you're putting a sheet on your mattress and like the little scrunchy part, and you're trying to put in all four corners. You go to do the third one and then the first one you did just like came off, or you're sleeping and then when you wake up or in the middle of the night you see that half of your sheets are off of your mattress because they slipped off. So much pet peeve. That is my biggest pet peeve, because you go through all this strength to put those corners and tuck those in nicely so it won't happen, and then it still does. But I'm happy to report with the GhostBed sheets this does not happen because of that thick band. I really enjoy that because that's such a big pet peeve of mine, like I said, and I know that my hard work will not go to waste. And let me tell you, I love to move in my sleep, and that I had no problem with it. So I really like that thick band, and it's really big, so you can put it all the way under it and you won't see that thick band. If like that's something you don't want for like your aesthetic or anything, you can definitely put it more into your mattress and it still won't budge. GhostBed sheets also come with a 3-year warranty, which I think is really nice, because if there's any like manufacturer defects, then you can go ahead and get your sheets replaced. I am a huge fan of the GhostBed sheets. Never looking back at my old college sheets ever again. I just love the quality, especially when I've been washing them. You can just tell that the quality is still there. It's not like running down or anything, and it still feels super comfortable. And like the first night that I slept in them, when I washed them and put them back on my mattress, you guys, that Ghost Grip band, oh my gosh, that is like my biggest selling point with these sheets, because you guys, my pet peeve with mattresses sheets just coming out is real, and I don't have to worry with the GhostBed sheets, and I'm just in love. So if you guys are interested in the GhostBed sheets, I will have a link down below for you guys. Super easy and free shipping, and they'd be great for the holiday season. So if you have somebody who just moved into a new house, newlyweds, this will be such a great gift. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys aren't a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. That way you won't miss out on any new videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.